Hi everyone, welcome to the overview of the Flipgrid recorder for students. In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can record an epic video response to a topic as a student. So here I am inside of a group that has been shared with me by my teacher through Google Classroom. Remember that your teacher may share an entire group or may share an individual topic. If your teacher shares a group, you can always navigate to different topics within that group by clicking on the picker bar. And I can see that there are 7 different topics. I can simply click on another topic to switch to that topic. But in this case, I'm going to record a response for this particular topic: reduce, reuse, recycle PSA. Now, you'll see to the right of the topic title, you have access to an accessibility feature, the immersive reader. This can help read the topic out loud for you. As well, it's a place where you can translate the topic. In this case, I can see the topic prompt below. The topic prompt contains a set of instructions that my teacher has provided for me, outlining what I need to do in my video response. So in this case, I've been challenged to create a 2-minute public service announcement for the City of Edmonton, explaining to residents current issues with waste in our community, and include tips and suggestions for people to reduce, reuse, and recycle materials to help decrease waste in our city. Now, your teacher may share a topic with you that challenges you to provide a self-assessment or a reflection on a topic that you've been exploring in class. Or maybe you are challenged to complete a task in your video response. There are a variety of ways that Flipgrid can be used for you to demonstrate your learning or showcase your understanding. In order to record a response for a topic, notice that you have 3 different places where you can click. So I can click record a response up here to launch the Flipgrid recorder. I can click record a response here below the topic prompt. And I can click the record a response button here to launch the Flipgrid recorder. Welcome to the Flipgrid recorder. Let's take a quick tour at all of the different features available to students. So starting up here at the top right corner, we can see the countdown timer. This indicates how much time we have to record our response. Below, if you are working on a Mac or a Windows 10 device and some mobile devices, you will be able to click Show Topic. This allows you to bring the topic up on your screen, and you can refer back to the topic as you are trying to record your response. It will not appear in your video for your teacher. You also have the ability to add sticky notes. These are a great way to organize your thoughts and ideas before you start recording. You can even leave yourself little notes about important facts or details to include in your Flipgrid response. All right, let's clear our screen. Down here at the very bottom of the recorder, we can see that we have 3 dots for more options. When we click on the more options, notice that you can upload a clip that you've recorded. Maybe you've made a recording on a mobile device, or you've used another recording tool like Screencastify or WeVideo on a Chromebook. You can simply upload that clip as your Flipgrid response. Notice that you have the ability to mirror your video. You also have the ability to record your screen. This can be a great way to present or showcase digital products that you have created. You can simply click record screen and select either record your desktop or record window browser. And then you can narrate or present your product. All right, let's go to effects. Here inside effects, you have a variety of different effects that help you level up your demonstration of learning. So For instance, we have a wide variety of filters that you can choose from, including filters that may reduce the pressure if you are a little hesitant on sharing your voice, especially when you're just getting started with Flipgrid. Let's go ahead and add a filter, and we'll go back to the menu for effects. Next to filters, we see that we have frames. Frames can help you also express yourself in creative ways. Maybe you have some breaking news to share. All right, let's go back. We also have a wide variety of emojis. We have a wide variety of stickers that we can add, and we can even search by different emojis, including the American Sign Language stickers. And to add an emoji, we can simply click on one and notice that we have the ability to resize it and move it around the screen. In addition to adding stickers or emojis, if I click on effects, I also have the ability to add text. Notice that I have the ability to adjust the font style, the color, the outline, even the background in some cases of the different text styles. To type, I'll simply double click in this particular text box and notice that I could add my favorite quote. Or maybe I want my video response to be entirely made up of text. I could simply go to effects and I could turn on a board. Now, traditionally, we had access to the whiteboard. Notice that now in effects, we have a variety of boards with different templates, as well with different colored backgrounds. We also have the ability to split the screen. So let's just move this text out of the way. Notice that I can feature myself talking about what I'm presenting here on the board. Speaking of which, if I go back to effects, this is where I could now start adding text to the board, or I can use digital inking. And I could actually draw out a mathematical equation, and I could record myself solving this mathematical equation or scientific equation and explaining the steps behind my work and my thought process. I could also use digital inking and the board feature in order to draw and label diagrams. Or if we go back to the effects menu, notice that I can also add custom stickers. So I can take any document, and as long as I save it as a JPEG or PNG, I can actually add it as a sticker. Let's just resize this and move it over. Now, I can hit record. This will count me down. And I can use effects while I'm recording. So I could actually use digital inking, and while I'm recording, I could annotate this document as I'm explaining it to my teacher. Notice that I can pause while I'm recording. I can hit record again to continue recording, or I can click next. This allows me to preview my recording. Notice that I can record in segments by clicking add more. This will just take me back to the recorder, and I can go ahead and hit record and continue recording. I can add as many segments to my recording until I reach that 2-minute time limit. I can also, when I'm in the preview window, I can move segments around by simply clicking and dragging them in place. And when I'm ready to submit my video, I simply click the next button from the preview window. This will ask for my display name. Here I could go ahead and type my full name or just leave my first name and last initial. If I had a link to, say, a Google Doc or a Google Slides presentation or a PowerPoint that I wanted to share with my teacher as part of my response, I could go ahead and add that link in here, and I can provide a title for my video. Now, Flipgrid automatically selects a frame from your video for your selfie, but notice that you can also click Take a Selfie or upload a video. Upload a photo if you would prefer a different selfie. I'm going to simply click Submit to submit this video to the topic in the group. And I go ahead and click Complete. And in this case, this topic is not moderated, so that means I can see my response live in the topic, and other students in my class will be able to see and reply to my video. If the topic is moderated, then only my teacher will be able to see the video that I've posted to the topic.